Hello and welcome to Presono. This video is all about uploading your files, images and videos. To upload images, videos or PDFs, click on the New button and on Upload New Item. Click in the area with the grey border and select one or more files on your computer. You can also simply drag and drop the files into the area. Now you can rename the individual elements or delete them again. Choose a workspace and at least one category in order to find your media later again. If you want to upload a 3D object, drag the corresponding image series into the upload area and then select the Object Viewer option. Your image series will be saved as one element. Click Save to upload all the items into Presono. Now they can be used on every slide. Enjoy presenting your content!